Hello, I just washed up from the last video. My wife is still puking from the casserole and the drink that I made. You made the drink with lead. No one's supposed to drink lead. P.S. Never make those recipes. This is only for entertainment. Okay, well, she's puking still. I'm gonna ask my dear friend Shopkins. She's the only Shopkins I have, and that's why I use her in my videos. So we are just gonna put the Shopkins in the blender and see how she turns out. So let's start the camera video. So, ready, set, go. You know what? This isn't actually that bad. This is how she turned out. Help me. Alright, so that was our Shopkins can. Never ever do that again. Okay. Yeah, that was recommended by my dear friend Jake the dog. It's not like Jake the dog and the human. It's not like that, but you know, it's that's what you heard. He is 25 years old, and he still watches cartoons. There are a lot of people like Stampy Cat who play games like that, like Minecraft, and that's for kids. Kids. 12 and younger. Kids. It's actually meant for teenagers and younger. Yeah, whatever! 12 is basically a teenager. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Okay, let's stop with the musical. I see why your Twizzler friend doesn't like you. Hey, that was offensive. Oh well. I'm sorry, but we only have time for drinking water in slow-mo. So this is a clip of me drinking water in slow-mo. Take a look. Sorry, you're drinking too fast. Yeah, that was me drinking water in slow-mo because my wife kind of yelled out something. And I was starting to talk saying, no, I'm not, but my mouth was too full and I dropped the water bottle. So thanks for watching this video. And sorry we didn't have that much time for cooking. So yeah, this is like a fun video. Okay, bye. Oh, and in this video it's gonna say the actual title, then whatever, like the thingy like that, and then it's gonna say having fun, and then it's gonna have like that thingy, and then it's, yeah. Okay, bye.